What's up, gamers? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the new Glitch Ease Mushroom cosmetic in the latest Monkey Do update. Let's get into it. Alright, so what you want to do is come over to the Tooting range. It should be to the right of the main island, where the news board is. Once you get onto a stump, you just use the Tooting range or your hands to hit the targets in this order. First, banana, then the W, then ruby, then L, then the poop, then the blue monkey, then bongo, then the happy monkey, then the white monkey, and then the angry monkey. And once you do that, it should say you earned Glitch E Mushrooms cosmetic. If you come over here to the main island where the monkey wardrobe is, and you click the poopy icon, you should have it right here. Or if it's not right there, click this once, it'll be at the end. And here it is, the Glitch E Mushroom. Thanks for watching, have a great day, goodbye.